To upload an avatar to your account, make sure you have a Unity project open. Make sure you're also signed in to your VRChat account. If it's your first time signing in to this project, it'll ask for a numeric code. Drag and drop the Unity file that you purchased into this small gray space and press import. Your avatar will be located under assets. Mine, for example, is Dragon. Double click the scene. The avatar is now dropped in the scene, as you can see here. Now you want to upload it. Go to Builder, under the VRChat SDK tab, give your avatar a name. Make sure you also have a thumbnail for your avatar. You can use any PNG image that you want for the thumbnail, or you can capture it from the scene. Select your platform, which one you want to upload it to, Windows or Android. I'm using Windows, and build and publish. The avatar is now uploaded to your account. Open up VRChat and go under Avatars. Then go under your Uploaded tab. Your uploaded avatar should be right there.